Right, we're back at the croft allotment, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to cut the grass. See, the first challenge isn't cutting the grass, it's seeing if I can get this strimmer to work, which is, I think it's a bit of a challenge, to be honest. And I'll put my hands up and say I'm not the most gifted when it comes to, you know, working these sort of things out. I've got to just like do a close up of me clipping this. The fucking thing's broken, so I won't be doing that. So yeah, at least I know it's working now. Going for the 2-year protection approach. What? So the strimmer's run out of fuel, and I don't know whether what the fuel I have here is diesel or petrol, so to avoid the risk, I'm going to go home and ask and see what they think. So, it's a few days later now, and it started raining, so I couldn't really come up and finish it, and I realised I'd done less than half, and then Mum ended up doing it, so from the other side of the polytunnel, like these. So our house has been getting extended for about... Mom?
What?
How long's our house been getting... This is ridiculous. How long's our house been getting extended for?
I want to say 8 years, but you know, it feels like it
could be 10. Yeah, I suppose say around 10.
I think it's probably more like 8.
Okay, that wasn't scripted at all. It's not like she's standing right here. But the other day we finally got around to harling the outside wall. Harling's a 2-step process. First you put a base of mortar onto the existing scored concrete wall, which looks a little bit like this, and I'm reading all of this from a bit of paper. Then the actual harling chips get carefully and methodically applied to the wall, and that's where I'm going to cut today. I spent a lot of the day mixing mortar, which looked a bit like this. No, it looked exactly like this, because this is what I did. This is my GoPro. It does everything I could really want it to do, but I'm quite cheap and I don't like buying all the attachments for it because half of them I'll probably never use, and unless you get the good ones it's probably just going to break anyway. The only one I've got is the waterproof case, which for the most part is fine, you know, it sort of protects it a bit and keeps it waterproof. But when I'm in the water with it, I always have the fear that I'm going to drop it and lose it. So I'm just going to make myself something so that, one, I don't have to drop it, and two, if I do, it floats. To do it, I'm going to need a couple of things. I'm going to need a knife, some string, some sort of strap to put around my wrist, a long screwdriver, a saw, and a pool noodle. I don't know if pool noodle's only what Americans call it. I don't know what the deal is, but the floaty thing they use to swim.